So if you take a look at the Chattahoochee over here, it's not too bad. It's got a lot of issues, and this is a newer installation. And then you come over this way, and it's not so bad until you get over here. It's almost like the sealer has failed efflorescence combined with rust, who knows what else, calcium, all kinds of stuff in here. You can see where somebody had actually tried to use a cheaper sealer, and it just came out really bad. And you can see the mess that is made here. Do not use cheap sealer on the job, guys. It will come to haunt you. If you use the wrong kind of sealers in a combination with other sealers, you can have a very, very big problem on your hands quick. You do not mix any of these together. You can see the difference right here. And this is not, look at that underneath there, pretty bad. This is not off the actual roof. This is under. And most likely this is all from irrigation, but I see that it runs the opposite way. So anyway, a little bit of information there for you. And when it's cleaned, you have to do a really good job. And it sounds kind of funny that I'm saying that, but the sealer is an enhancer. So whatever your outcome is only as good as your preparation. If you totally understand what I'm saying, you really have to put in a lot of work with this stuff. This Chattahoochee. This is actually Chattahoochee, and if you had exposed aggregate, that's a total nightmare. That's a whole different ball game. So I probably wouldn't even touch it if it was exposed aggregate. But anyway, I'll get back to you guys here in a little while. Y'all have a good one.